Good morning, students. Today we are going to study new topic from pharmacognosy syllabus. The name of topic is antimalarials. So, what are antimalarials? These are the drugs which are used in the treatment of malaria. So, to study antimalarial drugs, we must know what is malaria. Malaria is a condition in which the person suffers from the symptoms like fever, sweating, and shivering. So these are the symptoms of malaria. The disease is caused due to the bite of species, that is mosquito species Anopheles mosquito. So this disease is caused due to different four species of protozoa. Protozoal species are there that leads to the disease called as a malaria. So the causative organisms are Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium falciparum. Among all these four species, Plasmodium falciparum is majorly responsible for inducing the disease, infectious disease called as a malaria. So see, I already told you the disease shows periodic symptoms like shivering, fever, and sweating. The disease is caused due to the infection or infected into human body due to bite of female species, that is Anopheles mosquito. So for this disease in herbal medicine, we can use two types of drugs, that is Artemisia ona and Cinchona. Popularly, Cinchona is get used to cure, or we can say in the prophylaxis and treatment of malaria. So see, this is a picture of Cinchona bark. This bark is very popular for the its therapeutic effect against malaria. It looks like the bark of cinnamon also, जो हम किचन में यूज करते हैं दालचीनी, वो सेम ऐसा ही दिखता है. सो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है दोनों का अपीयरेंस. दिस इज Cinchona bark. The synonym for Cinchona bark is Jesuit bark and Peruvian bark. What? Jesuit bark and Peruvian bark. Botanical source, it consists of dried bark of cultivated trees. Four trees that are we can cultivate to get the Cinchona bark. So species के नाम है Cinchona caliacea, Cinchona legergiana, Cinchona officinalis, and Cinchona succirubra. So all these trees belongs to the same family, that is Rubiaceae. Geographical source, Cinchona bark is native to South America and it is get cultivated in Indonesia, Zaire, India, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, and Guatemala. All these are the countries where the Cinchona bark is get cultivated. In India, it is get cultivated